Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are doing very well. So it will be a science class together and welcome to the learn about matter. So during this class time we will cover page 351 until page 353. If you are ready, open page 351. So let's start with a quick question. It say, how can you compare these beach umbrellas? If you check the pictures, you can see 5 different beach umbrellas. How can you compare them? How can you differentiate them? So, when you check the first one, for example, it has some blue, green, yellow, orange, red, purple, and pink, right? So, the second one, it has just include reds. The other one, blue and white. The fourth one, it has just blue, or the fifth one, it has just different colors. So if you want to compare them, you can use their physical properties. One of them is just straight. The other one is, for example, this is just for left side and it is just for the right side. So you can use their physical properties like color, size, mass, and volume. So during class time, what we will learn during this week, we will learn about what does it mean matter, what is physical property, what is mass, what is volume and temperature. You already know what does it mean temperature, right? Remember our previous class. So let's check what is matter. If you check page 352, you will see matter is everything you see around you is matter. For example, a pen, a blue pen. For example, give an example for a matter. We said everything you see around you is matter. So you can see pencil, pen, notebook, table, bag, bed, your clothes. Everything is matter. Let's check blue pen. What words can you use to describe this item? We can say it is blue, right? We use its color. I have blue pen and we can say it's easy to write with it. So it's easy to write with it and it is blue pen. Good. So let's check page 353. Matter is anything that takes up space. So what about physical property? A physical property is a characteristic of matter that you can observe or measure directly. Good. Okay, right now let's check the pictures and we can categorize them into given categories. Let's check the categories first. One of them is red and round. The other one is soft and large. The third one is small and hard. Let's start with the ball. Ball is red, right? And it's also round. So which category is appropriate for the ball? The first one, red and round, right? Good. What about the other one? For example, apple. This is also round. But marble is also round. So what can I do here? I need to check their colors because the first category includes color also, red and round, color and shape. So it is also red, but it's not red. So in this situation, it is appropriate for my first category, red and round. Good job. What about marble? We said this is also round, but this is small. I know it's small and hard, right? It's not soft. If it's not soft, I can use small and hard. This category is the most appropriate for the marble. Let's put it here. Good. What about pillow? So I know pillow is so soft, right? And it's also large when I compare it with this. So I can put it into the second category, soft and large. Good. What about couch? So I know this is also soft and large, right? So I can put this couch into the category for soft and large. I know this is small and this is not soft, or this is not round, this is not red. So I can say this is small and hard. So the third category is the most appropriate one.
That's
for
right.
this. Good
You were
job.
able to sort the object.
Okay, now turn back your book. We can underline this sentence. What does it mean, matter? Matter is anything that takes up space. And what does it mean, physical property? A physical property is a characteristic of matter that you can observe or measure directly, like we did in the exercise part. We categorize them into the colors, size, and others. So let's check. Texture. What does it mean, texture? Texture is the way something feels. We say this is soft, this is not soft, right? So it represents texture. So objects can be smooth or rough. What is the texture of sand? Remember sand when you go to beach. So sand has a rough texture, right? Good. So what about matter? Matter can be different colors. So write a sentence that describes the color of the beach ball. Check our beach ball in the picture. I know it has red, green, yellow, blue, orange, and white. So how many colors I counted? Let's count it together. I start with red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can say the ball has 6 colors, which are red, green, yellow, blue, orange, and white. I can also write the names of colors here. Good job. Okay, hardness. Hardness describes how easily an object's shape can be changed. So, name a hard object you see in this picture. So, we say the plastic shovels and buckets are hard because it's hard to give a shape for plastic shovels, right? Good job. What about size? Size is how big something is. And it say which object is the biggest one. Check the picture here. It has some sea star. Check its shell. So, which one is the biggest object here? I know. Good job. So, the sea star is the biggest object here. What about which one takes up the most space? So, I know the sea star is the biggest object here. So, it takes more space than others, right? Good. What about shape? Shape is the form an object has. We say round, long, short. So they are represented for shape. What we can see, what words can you use to describe the two smallest shells? Let's check them. This one and this one, they are the smallest one, right? So when I check this shell, I can realize this is long. So when I check the other shelf, so I can say this is round. So round, long, short. So they are represented for shape. Good job. Okay, right now please fill the page 345 and 346. They are your homework. This page for your homework. Thank you so much. Take care of you.